Have you ever dreamed of a life where you could wake up and not worry about your job or paycheck? Where your money works for you while you sip coffee and enjoy the sunrise? Today, we're diving deep into the world of living solely on dividends. Imagine a world where every month, like clockwork, your account gets credited with enough money to cover all your expenses, without you lifting a finger. That's the power of dividends. But how do you get there? Let's unravel this financial tapestry. Now, some might say living off dividends is a pipe dream. But as we journey through this video, you'll see real examples and strategies that many have employed to make this dream a reality. Let's start by understanding our options. High-yield dividend stocks. They're the adrenaline junkies of the investment world. High risk, high reward. You can find companies that offer tantalizing double-digit dividend yields. But here's the catch: they might not sustain those dividends. Like a roller coaster, it's thrilling but not for the faint-hearted. Remember those stocks in June 2021 that were boasting hefty dividends? Some of them thrived, while others took a nosedive. The key here is agility, being ready to move your investments around to maximize returns. But if you're someone who prefers a steadier ride, there's the option of high-yield dividend funds. Think of them as your safety nets. These funds spread out the risk, investing in a variety of stocks. The returns might not be as exhilarating as individual high-yield stocks, but they offer a more balanced approach. Then, there's the tortoise in our race: dividend growth investing. Slow, steady, and reliable. Companies like these have been around the block. They've seen recessions and booms and have still consistently raised their dividends. This strategy is all about long-term stability. Over time, the increasing dividends can compound, leading to substantial growth in income. But what if you're more of a traditionalist? Enter the S&P 500 approach. It's the old-school, time-tested method. While the dividends might not be as high, the potential for capital appreciation is significant. Over time, the growth of the invested capital combined with regular dividends can lead to a sizable income stream. Now, let's journey back in time and see how these strategies fared during some of the market's most turbulent periods. Remember the Great Recession of 2007-2008? Many investors saw their portfolios crumble. But here's where the resilience of our strategies comes into play. The S&P 500, with its robust growth, weathered the storm. Despite significant falls during market crashes, the overall growth trend remained upward. Think of it as climbing a mountain with a few slips here and there but always ascending. On the other hand, the dividend growth approach was the knight in shining armor during market downturns. It provided a shield against the worst of the crashes. The steady increase in dividends over time, combined with the relative stability of these stocks, made it a haven for many investors. The high-yield approach had its moments in the sun, especially when it came to dividend payouts. But it did face challenges, especially during market downturns. It's like sailing on choppy waters. You need a strong stomach and a keen eye on the horizon. But here's the million-dollar question: which approach is best? The answer isn't straightforward. It's like asking, what's the best vehicle? Well, it depends. Are you racing, off-roading, or taking a leisurely drive? Each of our dividend strategies has its merits. If you're young and willing to take risks, dive into the high-yield stocks. If you're looking for a balanced approach with decent returns, high-yield funds might be your calling. For those seeking stability and consistent growth, dividend growth investing is the way to go. And for the traditionalists who believe in time-tested methods, the S&P 500 awaits. In conclusion, living on dividends alone isn't a myth. It's a journey. A journey that requires patience, strategy, and sometimes, a bit of courage. But for those who embark on it, the destination is financial freedom. As we near the end of our journey through the world of dividends, let's take a moment to reflect on the broader picture. While the technicalities of investing and choosing the right strategy are crucial, it's essential to remember the ultimate goal: achieving financial peace and autonomy. Dividends, in many ways, are not just about the money. They're about crafting a life where you have the freedom to make choices that align with your passions, desires, and dreams. Imagine a life unburdened by financial stress, where you have the freedom to explore new hobbies, travel to unseen places, or even support causes close to your heart. This is the true power of dividends. It's not about the numbers on a screen but the doors those numbers can open for you and your loved ones. Financial independence, through dividends, can be a transformative experience, redefining your relationship with work, leisure, and life's many adventures. Now, as with any journey, there will be hurdles. Markets will fluctuate, investments might not always pan out as expected, and global events can cast shadows of uncertainty. But remember, it's the resilience and adaptability in the face of these challenges that define successful investors. It's about having the vision to see beyond the immediate setbacks and focus on the long-term trajectory. And as history has shown, with patience and perseverance, the market has an innate tendency to rise and reward. Moreover, the world of investing is not static. New opportunities, technologies, and trends continuously emerge, offering fresh avenues for growth. As an astute investor, it's essential to stay curious, educate yourself, and be open to evolving your strategies in response to the changing landscape. Whether it's the rise of sustainable investing, the potential of emerging markets, or the promise of new sectors, the future holds a plethora of opportunities for those willing to seek them out. But perhaps the most critical takeaway is this: the journey to living on dividends is deeply personal. What works for one might not work for another. Your risk tolerance, financial goals, life stage, and even personal values play a significant role in shaping your investment journey. Therefore, it's essential to introspect, understand your unique financial fingerprint, and chart a course that resonates with your individual aspirations. In this age of information, we're fortunate to have a plethora of resources at our fingertips. From books to online courses, seminars to financial advisors, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped. Engage with these resources, seek counsel, and continuously refine your understanding. Remember, in the world of investing, knowledge truly is power. Lastly, while the mechanics of dividend investing are crucial, it's equally vital to cultivate the right mindset. Embrace patience, celebrate small victories, learn from missteps, and always keep your eyes on the prize. The road to financial independence through dividends is as much a mental game as it is a financial one. In wrapping up, living on dividends alone is more than just a financial strategy. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, and a dream that's very much achievable. With the right tools, knowledge, and perseverance, anyone can embark on this journey, unlocking a life of freedom, abundance, and endless possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel for more.